This is a moulded 13 amp plug. As I cut through it, you can see how much insulating material surrounds the internal parts. Moulded plugs aren't actually brand new, they were around before 1990, but factory fitted plugs became the most norm arrangement on new UK appliances during the 1990s. Years ago, an appliance could be supplied with a plug and customers might have to fit one. That created the possibility of the live, neutral and earth being connected incorrectly, loose terminals, screws, a badly fitted cable, grip or the wrong fuse being used. Now they are permanently fitted to appliances, which makes it more reliable and safer. However, the problem with that is you cannot use the 13 amp plug. It is moulded to the cable and that's it. So the problem with most of these plugs is that they're not recyclable. You can't change it over and put it onto another appliance. And that is the main problem here. In the end, I don't think moulded plugs will make much difference in recycling, since whenever the appliance breaks down, the whole lot gets thrown away. You can of course still buy 13 amp plugs that you can screw on yourself. So at least if there is an issue with the plug itself, or that you want to put the wire through a small hole, at least you'll be able to cut it off and put a standard plug on that you can screw on yourself. So thank you for watching, and if you got value from this video then please share, like and subscribe, and if you want to see more DIY then please click on my channel.